Hello everyone, let's see how to make another mini table fan. Watch the video till the end. How to make this DC motor and another battery here. You can also make this at home. Connect the negative and positive wire. It is very simple. First negative and second positive wire connect. You also have other batteries or other batteries. You also have other small DC motors and other batteries or other hunting method. We get them for very little money. You also have other table fan in the house. If you like the video, please give it a like and see you in the next new video. Subscribe to the channel. No.